Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a shadow in Photoshop. First thing you'll do is you have your figure here. You're going to make sure you're on the correct layer. Next up, you're going to duplicate this by hitting Control J. Once you duplicate it, you can drag it down. We need to then use Control L or levels. So I tap that and I'm going to use the slider. So I move this triangle all the way to the end. I hit OK. Now I need to flip this over to make it into a shadow. So I do Control T, a right click, and you'll see at the bottom I have options: flip horizontal, flip vertical. I want to flip vertical. I'm going to align the shoes here like this. While the bounding boxes are still up, I'm going to do a right click and I'm going to hit skew. You could also do distort, warp, or perspective. And then what I'll do is I will change the shadow so it's a little bit distorted. Hit enter. Next, I'm going to diffuse the shadow or make it blurry. So I go up under filter, down to blur, down to Gaussian blur, and I'm going to move the slider over. Next, I'm going to change the opacity on the layer. So I go over to the layers palette. I'm then going to slide it down. And that is how you make a shadow in Photoshop.